this tutorial, you'll learn to use adjectives to add more detail to your descriptions. An adjective is a describing word that tells us more about a noun. Adjectives make our sentences more interesting to read, and they can make our descriptions clearer and more specific. For example, take a look at this sentence. Carlos looked up and saw a lion. Without an adjective, one reader might imagine the lion looking like this. Another person might imagine the lion looking like this. And another might imagine this instead. Adding an adjective means our reader will imagine what we want them to imagine.
Carlos looked up and saw a hungry lion. Carlos looked up and saw a drowsy lion.
When choosing adjectives, many students focus a lot on describing the colour of objects. The princess bit into the red apple. But there are so many other ways of describing an apple. You might want to describe its size. The princess bit into the plump apple. Or its taste. The princess bit into the sweet apple. Or its texture. The princess bit into the crunchy apple. Or its age. The princess bit into the mouldy apple. Your choice of adjective completely changes what your reader imagines. Take a look at this paragraph. It's not bad, but it's missing adjectives. The man hobbled down the path, using his walking stick to steady himself. The rain fired down at him from the sky. Watch how each adjective that I add changes the picture that you have in your mind. The old man hobbled down the path. The old man hobbled down the muddy path. The old man hobbled down the muddy path, using his walking stick to steady himself. The icy rain fired down at him. The old man hobbled down the muddy path, using his walking stick to steady himself. The icy rain fired down at him from the dark sky. So, from now on, make sure that you use adjectives to make your descriptions more specific and interesting to read. And choose your adjectives carefully. Make sure you don't just focus on those colours.